June is Men's Health Month, and joining us today is healthcare expert Jeramy Tipton of Aflac. And Jeremy, we've got a new survey that says men have got to step it up when it comes to taking care of their own health. So let's start with this. What are the top takeaways from this survey?
Well, Mike, thanks for having me. But men are still continuing to push pause on their physical and mental health. As a matter of fact, less than 50% of men surveyed said they had gone to their routine medical exam within the last 12 months. And even more concerning, 75% of those surveyed actually said they had some sort of mental or behavioral health issue within the last 12 months as well. And many admit that they haven't talked to anyone about these challenges.
And Jeremy, why are men not having these routine checkups? What's holding us back?
Mike, you know, as being a man, it's easy for us to push that off and delay those annual exams. Men don't really like to deal with health issues, but 40% said they avoided going to the doctor because they didn't want to pay the out-of-pocket expenses. And a quarter of those individuals said that ultimately they didn't have the insurance to cover them if they went to the doctor as well. But regardless of those challenges, it's really important for those annual health exams to stave off any challenges and prevent any more out-of-pocket expenses as they move forward in their lives.
Yeah, I could not agree more. Now, how do men in different age groups view health care?
Well, it's interesting. In this year's survey, we saw a serious generational gap. The younger generations, nearly 80% of the younger generation said they dealt with some mental or behavioral health issue within the last 12 months. And Gen Z and millennials also said that these challenges impacted them not only at work, but also at home. As a result, many insurance companies like Aflac are starting to add mental and behavioral health benefits into plans to try and stave off some of these challenges as well.
So Jeremy, can you verify that, yes, some of those sensitive healthcare issues that men don't like to talk about?
Yeah, sure. So the survey was about an overall wellness of men's physical, mental, and overall financial health. And you're right, if men don't want to deal with health, they definitely don't want to deal with final expenses or life insurance. 68% of the individuals in the survey actually said that they would rather do the worst of their honey-do list than to talk about life or final expenses, life insurance or final expenses. But that's part of their overall financial wellness and well-being, not only of them, but also for their family. So it's important that men create a plan, with that first step being getting those yearly checkups.
Right, exactly. Now, what advice would you give to men who are not taking their health seriously? All right, let's talk about it.
Yeah, so ultimately, the first thing is review their life and health benefits that they have in their insurance portfolio. Make sure their family is well protected. Supplemental coverage like what Aflac offers is available to help in many of those instances and can help actually pay for those wellness exams for preventative care. Don't let costs prevent you from that, but I'm talking to the women out there and the significant others and spouses in the men's lives. They really have an opportunity to persuade those individuals to take that step and go to the doctor and try to prevent some of those health issues in the future.
Yeah, for sure. And Jeremy, where can folks go for more information?
You can go to aflac.com/men's health for more information on the survey and to also check out the wonderful benefits we have to offer.
All right, here's to good men's health. Let's do it, men. We got this. And of course, head to our website, firstcoastliving.net.